This is Larry Bonerato from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute, the lesson by the lake, what nature quietly teaches us about contribution and leadership. This morning, while walking our schnauzer Gigi along the lake, I noticed something that caught my attention. 4 large buzzards were standing on the bank. 2 of them were watching everything around them as if they were standing guard. The other 2 were focused on something near the water. Then I saw it. A tall marsh crane walked slowly up the bank with a fish in her beak, something she had clearly worked hard to catch. As she moved forward, the buzzards reacted. One moved toward her, she flapped her wings to defend herself, and in the process dropped the fish. Another bird immediately grabbed it, and within seconds, all 4 buzzards flew away. The crane? She went right back to the water and started again. That moment stayed with me because if you look closely, you'll see the same dynamic play out in many teams and organizations. There are those who produce, those who protect, and those who position themselves to benefit from the work of others. Over time, this often reflects the 80-20 rule, a small percentage of people carrying the majority of the load. But here's where this becomes a leadership issue. The question isn't whether the 80-20 rule exists. It does. The question is, what are you doing about it? Are you developing more people who produce, recognizing and reinforcing those who contribute, and creating an environment where effort, accountability, and results are expected? Because when too few people carry the load, everyone feels the strain. But when more people contribute, the entire team moves forward. And one more observation from this morning. The crane didn't complain, didn't hesitate, and didn't stop. She went right back to work. So here are 2 questions to consider. First, which role are you playing? And second, as the leader, how are you helping more people move into the group that produces, contributes, and drives results? Because strong teams aren't built by a few doing most of the work. They're built when more people choose to carry the load. If you're looking to strengthen your team, improve productivity, or establish clear standards that drive performance, I'd welcome the opportunity to work with you. Reach out to me at lab@LarryOnLearning or 864-630-2625. And remember, information without transformation is wasted energy. This is Larry Bonerato from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute.